Downloading your Deutsche Bank statement provides a convenient way to review your account transactions and manage your finances. Here's how to do it. Log into online banking. Visit the Deutsche Bank website and log into your online banking account using your user ID and password. Navigate to Statements. Once logged in, navigate to the section where you can access your account statements. This may be labeled as Account Statements, Statements and Documents, or similar. Select Account and Date Range. Choose the account for which you want to download the statement and specify the desired range for the statement. You can typically select options such as monthly, quarterly, or custom date ranges. Generate statement. After selecting the account and date range, generate the statement. Deutsche Bank's online banking platform will compile the transactions within the specified period and generate the statement for you to view and download. Download statement. Once the statement is generated, locate the option to download it. Click on the download button or link to save the statement file to your computer or device in a PDF or other format. Review and save. Review the downloaded statement to ensure it includes the transactions you expected. Save the statement file to a location on your computer or device for future reference or printing if needed.